Google currently has over 8 distinct AI tools scattered across its ecosystem, from everyday search assistants to enterprise-grade cloud platforms. Trying to navigate all of them at once feels overwhelming. We tend to approach this with a misconception. We look for a single, unified Google AI to handle our emails, write our code, and summarize our spreadsheets. But that single tool doesn't exist. Applying a heavy-duty reasoning model to a simple text reply creates unnecessary friction. On the flip side, asking a basic, built-in assistant to analyze a 100-page technical manual guarantees a failure. This diagram maps out the Google AI ecosystem by cognitive weight. At the center is your daily workflow, surrounded by 3 distinct tiers of AI capability. The first, innermost ring, represents frictionless, built-in AI tools. These are baked directly into search and workspace applications for immediate answers with zero setup. The second ring houses the standalone models. These are built for heavy reasoning and complex workflows that require dedicated processing power. Finally, the outer ring represents developer and enterprise tools, built strictly to scale applications to millions of users. The measurable productivity gains you hear about don't come from finding the absolute smartest model. They come from accurately matching your task to the correct ring of this matrix. Let's start with the frictionless tier. If you need immediate, low-effort answers and have zero time to configure settings, this is where you operate. This wireframe shows how Google Search AI overviews functions. It intercepts your query and pulls in data from multiple external sources to generate a single summary box right at the top of the page. The trade-off is precision. It handles the first layer of understanding effectively, cutting research time down to seconds. But if you are making a critical decision, you still have to manually verify those source links for nuance. In mobile communications, this frictionless approach relies on Gemini Nano. It operates directly on devices like the Pixel to generate quick text replies in real time. Because Nano runs locally, it processes information securely without ever sending your data to the cloud. The cost is capacity. It lacks the reasoning power required for long-form drafting or complex problem-solving. This entire inner tier sacrifices deep contextual reasoning. It is designed to prioritize maximum speed, convenience, and user privacy over complex logic. If you are a corporate knowledge worker, your primary bottlenecks aren't quick questions. They are repetitive documentation, data synthesis, and daily emails. This comparison matrix breaks down Workspace AI. It acts as a quiet layer integrated directly into the software you already use to automate basic tasks. In Gmail, you can draft or rewrite a 300-word professional email from a single prompt. However, its memory is strictly confined to that specific email thread. In Google Docs, it can generate first drafts or summarize 10-page documents into bullet points, but it relies entirely on you to provide a clear, accurate outline. Without strong structural intent, the output wanders. Inside Sheets, the AI explains data trends and highlights anomalies without forcing you to write complex formulas. It automates basic data science, though it won't replace a heavy statistical modeling tool. Utilizing these integrated tools properly yields a measurable return. Teams consistently cut their daily email and document preparation time by 30 to 40%. By turning familiar software into a capable assistant, you gain speed. But to get those gains, you have to adapt to Google's specific interface quirks and accept total lock-in to their ecosystem. For systems architects and creators, the built-in tools aren't enough. You need raw processing power for tasks that break standard Office software. This is the domain of Gemini Ultra. It's built for heavy, multimodal reasoning, like processing massive datasets, parsing technical documents, or reviewing complex code. Because Ultra functions as a standalone application, the workflow is highly manual. You have to actively copy and paste your data into the interface and establish the exact context from scratch for every single session. For developers, AI Studio provides a sandbox environment. It allows you to rapidly prototype ideas, adjust parameters, and test multiple prompts side by side to see how the model behaves. But AI Studio prioritizes raw speed and experimentation. It completely lacks the infrastructure, security compliance, and scaling tools necessary to deploy those applications to real users. To deploy reliably, you migrate to Vertex AI. This is the true enterprise solution on Google Cloud, equipped with automated pipelines to analyze millions of documents and monitor performance over time. Accessing Google's maximum computational power means trading away all convenience. You are taking on significant engineering overhead and managing standalone infrastructure to get the job done. We also need to factor in visual content creators and marketers who rely on rapid asset generation for their campaigns. Google's text-to-image model